Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing what I got for Christmas last year, because yeah, I'm filming this in the first. But yeah, obviously this is my Christmas 2023, and I like to call it a haul because I feel like that sounds like, but yeah, like I want to show you my Christmas presents. So first and foremost, I'll do a quick little inserty thing here, but from my mum, she got us 3 bits of furniture. She got us a buffet, a TV unit, and also a dining table. And then my grandfather got us a couch for our house because we didn't have much furniture at all. So yeah, those were like our big like Christmas items, and I'm just so grateful the house is starting to come together so nicely. And I feel like it's just really motivated me. Like I feel like we kind of like we've lived here for 6 months almost, but it hasn't started to kind of feel like home until now because we're starting to get our, our pieces of furniture and starting to put everything together. And like before that, we're paying rent and we're also saving to buy the house. So buying, furniture, it's just been hard. But yeah, so I just want to say a massive thank you to my mum and my grandfather for doing that for us. It was so sweet, and I am so grateful. And yeah, I will show you what we got now. Okay, so I'm meant to be showing you what we got for Christmas, like our furniture and stuff. You can see one piece in the back there, and I'm sitting on the couch at the moment, but since I filmed that video, what happened? We had to, I don't know, I can't remember, but anyway, the house is a mess basically because we've been building and still like organising stuff and everything like that. Then I got sick, so I'm only just starting to feel better. So yeah, the house is a shambles basically, so I won't be showing you the furniture is what I'm getting at. But don't stress because I think that I'm going to do like an updated house tour soon. And also I am starting to post photos to like Instagram and stuff like that. But yeah, I just don't want to show you the house while it's a mess because it's embarrassing. But yeah, from my mum and my dad, we got a TV unit. We also got a buffet, which is the thing you can see here in the back. And we also got a dining table. I was like, what else did they get us? So yeah, that was like so, like I'm just so extremely grateful. Like literally like one of the biggest helps in the world. And then from my grandfather we got the couch, which I'm sitting on at the moment. So yeah, it's like just so beyond grateful because it's put us so much further ahead. It would have taken us weeks to be able to save up for that kind of stuff. So yeah, just extremely grateful. But yeah, sorry, I will show them in a video soon, I promise. I've just got my big Santa sack here. But let's just go through it. I'm just gonna jump in and grab stuff. My sister got me these. These are 2 putting gel eye masks. I think they're so cute. So I think you put them in the freezer, or you can put them like in water, and then yeah, you just put them on your eyes, and they're so cute. They got a little gingerbread on them. Something about me is I absolutely love a gingerbread man. I think gingerbread men are the cutest things in the world. Speaking of, got some of these. My mum got me these cute little shorts from Peter Alexander. Are they not the cutest things you have ever seen? Like, I am just so obsessed. I think they're so cute. And then she also got me, I think these are the pants. Yep, the pants. So cute. I love them. And then she also got me the little slippies, which is so cute. I just think they are so cute. Like, I am so obsessed. So yeah, she got me those, which was very sweet. These are all from Peter Alexander, and that was like their like little Christmas collection thing, I think. Also from Peter Alexander, she got me the Nightmare Before Christmas shorts because I am a huge Nightmare Before Christmas fan, like obsessed. How cool are they? I love them so much. They're so sweet. Also from Peter Alexander, she got me these super cute little hamster shorts. How beautiful are they? Or is she a guinea pig? I don't know. What's it say? It doesn't say. It doesn't have a tag thing. But yeah, I just, obsessed. She's got a little bow in her hair, which I just think is so, so cute. And then she also got me the little matching top to go, what's it say? It doesn't actually say what it is. But yeah, she got me the matching top to go, like, so cute, so sweet. She also got me this, the Nightmare Before Christmas top to go with my little pants too. So cute. And I've just read that it actually glows in the dark, which is so cute. So yeah, super exciting. Got some really nice pajamas. She also got me this really pretty bra. This is from Bras and Things. And I just think it's like absolutely stunning. Such a nice colour as well. Like, she did a really good job with this one. Very pretty. My little sister got me some stuff from Lush, but it's like falling out, so hopefully it's in here somewhere. From Kate's Nan, she got me these little foaming hand washers, which is so cute. So there's 3 flavours, scents. We have, I can't say that, Parma, Rosa, Bergamot and Vanilla. We have Patchouli, Geranium and Orange, and then we have Mandarin, Ylang Ylang and Lavender. So I feel like those are going to be so, so nice. Also from my mom, she got me a little sour stocking, which I am really excited to eat. I'm going to open that up after this video, I'm pretty sure. What else have we got in here? My older sister also got me this gingerbread sheet mask, which is so cute. How cute is he? I don't even want to open him because he's just such a cutie pie. And she got me one of these little Miniverse because I'm obsessed with these. I don't know if you guys have seen these or not, but they're like little foods and you build them, and then like they come with, like, you build them and like there's resin in there. I feel like I'm explaining this really bad. There's resin in there, and then like, yeah, you create little mini foods. I feel like I'm explaining it like terribly, but it's so much fun and they're so, so cute. Oh, this is so special. So we are going, my favourite band and my dad's favourite band. I feel like they're my favourite band because my dad loves them so much. But anyway, Iron Maiden is our favourite band. Like, I've got Shinjitsu tattooed here, and that's their latest album. And anyway, my dad absolutely loves Iron Maiden, and I absolutely love Iron Maiden. And we are going to 3 of their shows. They're doing a tour down here this year in September, which I'm so, so excited for. We're going to Melbourne, Brisbane and Sydney, but my dad is like the biggest like die-hard fan. Last time they came down, he like followed them all around Australia. They were meant to come down in 2020, but then obviously like COVID, so this might possibly be their last tour because they are getting on the older side of things. So it's going to be like super special, and we're going as like a family. It's really exciting. But anyway, my sister, so my mum bought our tickets and stuff, but my sister made up this cute little thing. How cute. Like this little, we have like little fake little airplane tickets that she made. She's so smart. And like, it's called Nanny's Flights because mum's taking us, and we call her Nanny because she's my nephew's nan. Does that, like, so we just all call her Nan now. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway. So yeah, I just thought that was so cute. My sister is actually like so talented. And yeah, that is such a, it's going to be such an awesome experience. So yeah, 3 different states with my family, and we're going to go see the shows, and it's just going to be such an amazing time. I cannot wait. Also from Kate's Nan, she got me this wash set. It comes with a body wash and a body lotion, and it looks like they're rose water and shea butter, which sounds really nice. So yeah, got that. Kate's mum got me some Moroccan tan. It doesn't say a colour on it, but anyway, she got me some Moroccan tan, which was lovely of her. These must be Cade's. Are these Cade's? Yeah, they're Cade's. Cade's coming with us as well, obviously, on the trip. Nan, or my mum, also got me some little SpongeBob socks, which is so cute. What is this? Oh, this is Cade's. I got him that. Oh, here's the things that my little sister got me in the little Lush set. So, oh gosh, it came with the orange body scrub, which I'm really excited about because I love, why is that not focusing? Excuse me. Sometimes I say my camera does not like me. Got the orange body scrub from Lush. It also came with the Celebrate body lotion. And it also came with the Yog Nog shower gel. Focus, please. Oh my god. Why are you doing this? Anyway, so that was what my little sister got me. My mum also got me some of these little things, the little Miniverse things. So I'm so excited to build all of them. I cannot wait. I feel like I'm missing so many presents. Cade's mum also got me this from Nack Hair. This is the Nourish gift set. It comes with a shampoo, conditioner, and a little like cream treatment-y thing, which is so exciting. So I'm really excited to try that out. I need to wash my hair today. It's so greasy. And then my mum, she got me these, which I'm so excited about. She got me the Briogeo Hair Repair Remedies. It comes with the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. It comes with the Moisture and Damage Defense Leave-In Treatment and the Super Moisture Shampoo. So I'm so excited about that one. And then she also got me the Scalp Saviors, which comes with the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. And then it also comes with the little scalpy brush thing. So excited. Cade's mum also got me a hair straightener, which I need to go and pick up. It's at her house. And then this is probably like my favourite gift. Like, don't get me wrong, I love all of my gifts, but I have been obsessed with Nanalan. I've gone down a little rabbit hole. And yeah, I've become obsessed with Nanalan. So basically it's a Canadian like children's show that was like around in like the 90s, but like it's just blown up on TikTok. If you guys know the little like Who's That Wonderful Girl video, that is what it's from. And I am obsessed with her, but there's like no merch and stuff for it because I feel like it's only kind of just blown up again. But my sister made me this cup and it has a little picture of Mona on it. Has a little lollipop because our favourite episode is the lollipop episode where her and Russell are fighting over the lollipop. And then it's got please written on it because that's how she says please. So yeah, I am just so obsessed. I feel like this is like the sweetest thing ever. And when I saw this, I was like crying because I was like, that is so cute. And I did not expect that because obviously there's like no Mona merch or like no Nanalan merch, but my sister made that for me. So that was so sweet. Also, I need to go to the car to get a couple other things, so I will be back. So, Cade's mum also got me a little tanning mitt to go with my tan. Then also from Cade's mum, she got me some little PGs that have Homer Simpson on them because she knows I love the Simpsons. So I got them and the little pants to go with. She's like, they're men's, does it matter? And I was like, no. She also got me this little Simpsons mug, which is so cute. And I do actually already have him up here. I don't know if you can see. But I was like to her, that is so good because like I have one for display and now I have one that I can actually use. So win-win. From Cade's sister, she got me this super pretty jumper. I actually love it because I love a good like jumper, but I don't have a jumper in like this colour. So this is from South Street. And it's like, oh, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but it's such a pretty, it's kind of like purpley but like grey. It's really nice and it feels like real nice. So that's how it looks on the front. And then that's how it looks on the back. So yeah, that was from Shaylee, which was Cade's sister, which was so sweet. Also from Cade's nan, we got, from one of his nans we got money, and from the other nan we got like an FP's gift card, which was really sweet. What else did we get? Oh, also, my mum got me 2 dust candles, but I forgot that I've already put them away. I just feel like there was other stuff that I got, but I just cannot remember now. But yeah, obviously we had our big, what do you call it? Our big, like, ticker items. So everything else is just, like, such a bonus. Do you know what I mean? Like, it was just, like, I'm just so grateful. Like, we got absolutely spoiled. Cade got me Jangle, the little squishmallow. He's the elf. He's in our bedroom right now and Cade's asleep, so I won't go and get him. He also got me the Lego, Harry Potter Lego. It's like the Weasley shop, you know. It's so cool. I cannot wait to build it. I'm so excited. And he also got me a poster for our bedroom. So that was everything, I think, I can remember anyway, that I got for Christmas this year. Like, we got absolutely spoiled, and it was just such a nice day. Like, it always is such a nice day. I love Christmas so much, and I cannot wait that, like, next year we can finally decorate our house and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next one. Bye.